What if your best customers are already willing to send you new ones? They just haven't been asked the right way. Word of mouth is the most powerful marketing a small business can get. It costs almost nothing, and people trust recommendations from friends far more than ads. The problem is most small business owners never build an actual referral program. But with AI tools available now, you can design, write, and launch one in a single afternoon. Before opening ChatGPT or Claude, spend 10 minutes thinking through your offer. AI cannot do this for you. Ask 2 questions. What's a new customer worth to you over their first year? What reward would genuinely motivate existing customers to refer friends? A solid rule of thumb is making the reward worth 10 to 20% of what a new customer spends on their first transaction. If they typically spend $200, aim for $20 to $40. You can give this entirely to the referrer, split it, or offer store credit. Write your offer down in plain language before starting anything else. Once you know what you're offering, AI earns its keep. A referral program needs an email introducing the program, a website description, social media posts, a reminder, and a thank you message. Writing this from scratch takes half a day. With AI, it takes 20 minutes. Use ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com or $20 monthly, or Claude.ai with similar pricing. Here's a prompt that works well. Describe your business type, roughly how many regular customers you have, and paste in your offer. Ask it to write a short email under 150 words, a 2-sentence website description, a casual social media caption, and a thank you message. You'll get all 4 in under 2 minutes. Plan to spend a few minutes adjusting the tone to sound like you, not corporate. If you have brand voice notes, paste them in. It makes a noticeable difference. Now comes the part most people skip, tracking. Without it, you won't know who's referring people or whether they claimed rewards. For programs with 50 referrals monthly or fewer, give each customer a unique discount code. Most checkout systems already support this. You can also ask AI to build a Google Sheets tracking template for free. For automatic tracking without manual spreadsheet management, consider dedicated software. Referral Hero starts at $49 monthly and handles unique referral links connected to your email list, though better automation features unlock at $99. Referral Factory has a free plan for up to 200 participants, integrating with MailChimp and HubSpot, but their branding appears on your pages. FriendBuy offers robust analytics, but starts around $250 monthly, making sense only for serious e-commerce volume. The honest truth, technology and copy are now the easy part. AI has made that trivially fast. What actually determines success is whether your existing customers have had good experiences and genuinely want to tell others. No incentive structure fixes a weak customer experience. Your customers probably aren't refusing to send business because they dislike you. Nobody ever made it easy or gave them a reason. Now you can change that, and it doesn't take more than an afternoon.